Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage, just bringing you up to date on the 67 Dodge A-100. So we got the motor out, got the heads off, got the motor all apart, started taking the head apart. As you can see, we took the valves and the valve springs and keepers all out because we needed to clean everything up and get the old valve seals out and apart. And then if you look on this side, you will see that those are the combustion chambers. That's the exhaust valve port, and that's the intake valve port. And as you can see on those, they're quite a bit dirty. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to lap these valves down, try and get some of the nastiness out from around the valve seats here and make the valves fit a little bit better in there and seal up a little bit better. And then if we go in the back here, that's your intake valve, that's your exhaust valve. Again, that's another exhaust valve, that's an intake, exhaust, intake. Those are the springs that keep the valves closed. Those are the keepers, those little half circles there. They go at the top of the valve and are wedged in by the spring top. And if you look here, these are those were once the valve seals. As you can see, they are hard like stone now. They used to be little rubbers. They used to be rubber, nice and soft, seal up the valve, keep the oil from going down the intake. That's what your valve seal should look like. And it goes over the top of the valve stem right here. And on top of the head, it will go, let's go back out here. It will go on the top of the head, right, like that. And that is what seals the combustion chamber from the oil. And it keeps the oil from slipping down into the combustion chamber and causing all of this combustion chamber to build up with carbon from the burning of the oil. So there you go. Quick little lesson on how valve seals work and how much of a pain in the neck they are to change. As you can see on the other head, there's the other head. And you can see there's your spring, there's the top tip of your valve, there are your keepers right inside there, and that's it. There's your rockers, there's your push rods, cam, there's the new cam, and then we also have the bearings that we popped out of the motor, and as you can see, they're all delaminating and pretty bad. So that's one. This was, I believe, the worst one. Yeah, you can see right here how all the babbitt is coming off of the steel. And right there you see how worn out it is. And then here are your new bearings right here. And you can see the difference between the new bearing, how nice all the babbitt is, and the old bearing, how beat up and old it is. So anyway, there you go. Today's lesson. Have a good one. Okay, bye.